Hi, I am Nursman. This is my testimony about my family members who are arbitrarily detained in China. My last phone conversation with my family members is 18th of June 2017. Since then, no one answered any of my phone calls. At the beginning, I would think everything will be back to normal soon, but just after a short while, I was learned that my father and my brother taken to the study. I still didn't take it seriously because I didn't know they was taken to the concentration camps. So I keep silent and just waiting a good news from the family. On February 2018, I was learned that no one at home anymore. That means that my mom also was taken. That was the breaking point of my silence. After 2 years struggle, on 15th of June 2020, just after 3 years after my family member's disappearance, I was informed by the Chinese embassy in Turkey that all of my family members are in prison. My father, Abdul Tohti, 54 years old, sentenced to 16 years, 11 months. My mother sentenced to 13 years, and my younger brother sentenced to 15 years, 11 months, and my elder brother sentenced to 7 years. My family members, nothing near what the Chinese government accused them of. My father and my mother, over 50 years old. They are loving parents and the best friend. They dedicate their whole life for their fourth child. My two brothers are the businessmen. They are working hard to take care of their children and take good care of their parents and their family. My parents believe that education is the only way that can change our destiny. So when all the kids in our village work at the farmyard after school, but we are studying at home, just because of their unlimited support, I had the chance to study the best university in China, and I also had the chance to study abroad. Now I get my MBA degree and I had a career on it, but unfortunately all of my parents and my siblings are in Chinese prison just because of the false policy of the Chinese communist regime. According to the UN and other international organizations report that there are 3 to 5 million people in Chinese concentration camps. And there are so many independent researchers and leaked documents that can prove that Chinese Communist Party are launching demographic genocide against Uyghurs. Here I urge international organizations to take urgent action to stop this 21st century genocide. And I also request the Chinese government to close the camp and release my parents.